Hey, this is a quick video on the Mini Cooper 2017. I was about to do a rear brake job, and then when I pulled the rear sensor, I realized that the little metal clip that is supposed to be, little copper metal, strip of metal, it's supposed to be inside this brake sensor was gone. And the brake pads were actually pretty thick because this only has about 17,000 miles on it. So I did not do a brake job. Instead, I replaced the rear brake sensor, which is on the rear right wheel. And I'm just gonna let you know, it plugs in. There's a little quick release clip up here, and there's some connectors on both sides. And then that wire traces down and plugs right in here, in between the two brake pads. So you can see I've got the new one installed. You can actually see the copper metal on the new one. If you have a hard time pulling your old one out, just use pliers, but just be gentle so you don't rip the wire out. But anyways, so there's a clip here for the new wire, and then right there, and then you're going to plug it in and tuck it in the back. Now once you've done this, you know, you can put your wheel back on, obviously, but your dashboard will still say that you need to replace your brake pads until you reset it on the computer. So I'll show you how to do that right now. All right, so we are inside the car, so I'm just going to hit the auxiliary power button, and if we look over here, it's going to tell me that the brake system needs some work. Drive moderately. So we're just going to wait until that disappears. All right, once that disappears, we're going to hold this reset button in. And it's going to say reset possible, so now we're going to press and hold it again. And it's going to ask me if I want to reset, and I'm going to press and hold it again. And now the reset is in progress. So, all right, so now the reset has been completed, and you can go ahead and resume driving as normal. All right, so I've started up the car. The warning light is gone. And like I said, I had a bad sensor. I did not need new brake pads after I inspected everything. So unfortunately, this is a 2017 Mini, and I just had a sensor that went bad. Hope this is helpful. If you guys like it, please subscribe. And we got a lot more videos that'll help you save money on automobiles and things around the house. Take care.